Two or three words comes as a single preposition. Those are called phrasal prepositions. Examples: along with, ahead of, by means of, due to, in addition to, in front of, in spite of, instead of, on account of, on behalf of, etc. Along with, accompany, together with. Ravi has been learning English along with Telugu subject. You should attend party along with your wife. They distributed rice along with dal. The CM was going abroad along with his ministers. The secretary came along with his colleagues. Ahead of, earlier than somebody or something. Mohan is ahead of his classmates in solving maths problems. He submitted his project ahead of the due date. The king walked ahead of the queen. The agenda is circulated to the members 1 week ahead of the meeting. You could see the main road ahead of this path. Apart from, except for. Apart from the tattered roof, the cottage is in pretty good shape. Of his life, we know little apart from his works. The room was empty apart from one man seated beside the table. Apart from Patrick, the car was empty. Apart from that little incident, everything is fine. By means of, by using a thing. He got the job by means of hard work. The SI of police settled the dispute by means of negotiations. She lost her weight by means of diet plans. Nagu sent the money by means of internet banking. We can reduce the pollution by means of planting trees. Due to, on account of, because of. He had to withdraw from the game due to knee injury. His death was not due to any lack of care. The traffic jam was due to a car accident. He got pneumonia due to stay in cold. Evening classes were cancelled due to heavy rain. For the sake of, because of, for that purpose. We have to stop fighting for the sake of unity. For the sake of humanity, we should help needy. He moved to the seaside for the sake of his health. For the sake of spend leisure time, we move around. For the sake of decency, please stop using such profane language in the public. In addition to, another person or thing after something else. In addition to soup, several salads were served. He drew the pay in addition to allowances. In addition to blowing winds, there was a heavy rain. I learned literature in addition to art. The students should select one optional subject in addition to mains. In case of, in the event of, take an umbrella in case of rain. In case of emergency, break the glass. In case of fire, ring the alarm bell. In case of an error, run this batch file. Call the police in case of the theft. In front of, at or near the front of somebody or something. Parents should not fight in front of the children. His resort was in front of the sea. There were thousands of people in front of me in the queue. The professor stood in front of the desk. He parked the truck in front of the municipal office. In spite of, without being affected or prevented by. In spite of his poverty, he finished his PhD. There was heavy rain in spite of sunshine. In spite of law, people continue to use mobile phones while driving. He stayed indoor in spite of heavy rain. In spite of pain in his leg, he completed the marathon. Instead of in the place of somebody or something, he walked to school instead of riding by bicycle. I choose green tea instead of cool drink. Lakshmi went alone instead of waiting for her friend. Instead of being annoyed, he seemed to be quiet. Instead of dining out, I prepared a couple of boiled eggs. On account of, for the sake of, because of. The game was cancelled on account of heavy rain. She could not attend on account of illness. We had no school on account of cyclone. We held up for 2 hours on account of an accident. The trains were cancelled on account of coronavirus widespread. On behalf of, speaking or acting for somebody. The lawyer wrote the letter on behalf of his client. He was apologizing on behalf of his children. I am taken into the team on behalf of my friend. On behalf of all my colleagues, I may wish you a very happy retirement. Many banks are willing to buy and sell shares on behalf of their customers. Fill up the blanks with suitable phrasal prepositions. I finished my project works several days, dash the deadlines. Answer, ahead of. Padma got a good job, dash her wonderful abilities and skills. Answer, by means of. Anand goes to school, dash Rambabu daily. Answer, along with. The shops were closed early, dash rain. Answer, on account of. My house is dash all the houses in my village. Answer, apart from. There is a big tree, dash my house. Answer, in front of. I acted as the captain of my school cricket team, dash Rajesh. Answer, in place of. You should wear socks, dash shoes. Answer, in addition to. She was unable to attend the party, dash her marriage engagement. Answer, due to. Dash fire, ring the alarm bell. Answer, in case of. Sriram continued his batting carefully, dash his team, though he was injured. Answer, for the sake of.